Hello everyone and welcome to today again. Today, yes, everybody, is the 27th of April and we're in the year 2020. Okay, so my name is Simon Snipes and I am a proud member of the Royal Club uh, community. Okay, and also I do participate in the Royal Boundary program, or what we call the Roy Movement program within Roy Club. And someone will be asking, so what is what's the Roy what's the Roy Bounty program? Well, uh, for starters, the Roy Bounty program is an initiative by Roy Club uh, to see how they can support club members so that they can earn some little money. So the Royal Bounty program is a program of the Royal Club whose members perform tasks on the internet and in real life. Okay, working in the Roy movement, you can earn Prism coins and spend them as you wish. Okay, so when we work here in the Roy Bounty program, we are paid for doing simple online tasks or internet tasks. So definitely, the purpose of this program is just to popularize or advertise Roy Club, the change the world together community and Prism cryptocurrency. Okay, so for someone who probably is just bumping on this video maybe for the first time, and you hear me talking about Roy Club and you don't know what Roy Club is all about, well, in simple, Roy Club is an online investment platform that gives you an opportunity to earn profits between 15% to 20% per month. Okay, so you invest your money and then you'll be getting a percentage profit every other month. So that is what Roy Club is, and that is what Roy Club offers on top of many other programs within the Roy Club. Okay, so today our video is not about that. That's just a brief. I always need to lay out some basic information for our new viewers and those who are just probably seeing it for the first time. Okay, just for them to get a heads up on what's on ground. So in this today tutorial or video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload your video, your 6-minute video that you've made about Roy Club on Facebook. Okay, and let's just look at basically the simple requirements. Okay, our video has to be, of course, of high quality. We cannot use similar videos of the previous days of doing tasks. Okay, our video must be having a title, and our video must be having a description of about 60 characters. Okay, so here I'm seeing the text description for the video should consist of at least 60 text characters. Okay, text description must contain the required hashtag of the video heading and one arbitrary hashtag selected from the network or created by you. Okay, so that is basically. Then we have to attach obviously for a referral link. Okay, and we're going to see how we can do that. So let's go to Facebook. Okay, I'm going to make this real quick. Uploading on Facebook is actually quite easy. So what we're going to do, so you come straight here and we're going to click on photo or video, and we're going to select our video, which is this. Make some easy money. Yeah, that is ours. Open it, and yeah, as it loads, we are going to start doing our video. So how to make 2.4 by making a 6 video. So that is gonna be like our title. So I'll be like, hello guys, did you know you can earn some extra income from the ROI Club by making some short 6-minute videos about the club and your experience with ROI Club. Yes, and your experience with ROI Club. So the description is basically done. I think this is a good one. We can just do this to make sure what's the comment. 6-minute videos about the club and the experience with ROI Club. So the mandatory hashtag is ROI Club video. Then an arbitrary one is you can just say 6-minute video. Then put the follow links. Okay. Yeah, so this basically is done. So what you do, you now just click post. Once you click post, the video is processed and we shall just wait to pick the link. So that is how you can do it and post it on Facebook. So we shall pick the link later after Facebook has managed to process everything. Okay, then we shall be able to pick it from there. Okay, otherwise guys, I want to just thank you for checking in. This video has been brought to you by ROI Club, and stay safe, you know, keep thinking out of the box and see how to better your life. Thank you, and stay blessed.